In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sukuna in Untitled Combat Demo Rework. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the unlock method for Sukuna in Untitled Combat Demo. So, for you to get Sukuna, what you have to do is get 25 kills. This is going to be the permanent way to get him. If you go into extras, you can actually see how many kills you have. Now, of course, I am a newbie, so on this account, I literally have 0 kills, but if you have 25, you will have unlocked Sukuna, and you will have access to him permanently. Alternatively, you can also get him on 1 life if you touch Sukuna's finger. So, Sukuna's finger will appear randomly while playing, and by interacting with the finger, you will be able to play as him for 1 life. This will spawn randomly on your server, and you just have to walk up to the finger and then choose the option to touch it. And immediately upon doing so, Sukuna will become available. Sadly, I don't think I'm going to be able to demonstrate it for this video, but like I said, you either get 25 kills, or all that you have to do is find Sukuna's finger. You have to be the first, so remember that. And as long as you are the first on the server to acquire the finger, you will be able to play as him for 1 life. Besides this, there is no other method to get Sukuna. I recommend going for 25 kills, especially if you want to use him for a long time. You can do this on public servers or alts. And the finger is simply going to be scattered. The finger spawns once Mahoraga or Sukuna's vassal is defeated. Sukuna is going to be the strongest Jujutsu sorcerer, and you will be able to play as him in Untitled Combat Demo. If you notice that 25 kills are taking a while, make sure that you choose a character that you are used to, and you can try using alts like I mentioned to expedite the process. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Untitled Combat Demo Rework. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.